lovelies, welcome to our channel Varieties. Today I'm going to show you how to make Black Velvet Tamarind oil for the skin. It is in season in Ghana, West Africa. In fact, we are blessed with wonderful fruits. So this is the black tamarind. What do we need to do? All you need to do is that you remove the cover, which is velvet. You peel it off and you are going to get these. You are going to get this. Now, inside it, there's a seed. Yeah, you are not going to remove it from it. So all you need is this is just olive oil. All I did was that I took a little of my tamarind, pour it into this, and fill it with my oil, that is olive oil. Now I left this for 3 days. Today is day 3. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to strain it off. Then I have my tamarind oil. So what I'm doing now, I'm gonna strain it. Now this is very good for the skin. It gives you a very glowing skin, that you've been yearning for. Yes, this is so easy to make, and black tamarind has a lot of vitamin C content, and because of this, it's very good for the skin. This has been my anti-aging secret for a long while now. Yeah, so after doing it, you cover it. You can put it on your body lotions, or you use it like this. It can be used on the face and the whole body, and it gives you that glowing skin. Yeah, so after bathing, all you need to do is that you rub this on your hand. It takes away the wrinkles. It gives you a glowing skin that everybody will love to ask you, what have you been using? And this is only a natural form of glowing oil. So this is what we have here. Yeah, so it's so easy. You wanna try it, you try it, and then let me know in the comment section. It is only one ingredient. Now for more information, contact us on our email that will be leaving in the description below. So we see you next time. I say bye.